What if I told you that the popular method of sewing shoe sleeves is actually slowing you down? Today, I'm breaking the rules and teaching you a new and smart technique that gives you a perfect sleeves in less minutes. Get ready, guys. Your entire tailoring process is about to level up. Stay with me. For this tutorial, the measurements we are going to need are the full length of the sleeve, the shoulder to elbow, and the bicep. The first thing we are going to do is to create our bust frame, and to create the first frame on the length measurements, the formula is full length plus 1 inch plus 2 inches. So let's mark it. The full length is 24 and a half plus 1 inch and plus 2 inches. So total will be 27 and a half. So we are going to square it across 27 and a half. And on the width axis, the formula is width plus 2 and a half. That is the bicep plus 2 and a half. Our bicep is 16 inches. 16 inches plus 2 and a half. That will give us 18 and a half. So here is it, 18 and a half. So we are going to connect all now. 18 and a half. Then we are going to divide this by 2. 18 and a half divided by 2, that will give us 9/4. 9/4. Now this side, you are going to divide it into 2. 9/4 divided by 2, that will give us 4 and a half, 1/8. So you are going to divide it into 2. Then you square across. You will discover the calculations we are using are very simple. Now this second side, you are going to divide it into 3. We have 9/4 here. But I'm going to divide this by 3. That will give me 3. I'm going to make use of 3 for each side. 3 inches for each side. This first line, I'm going to roll it down. This second line, I'm going to make it a dotted line. So that is all about our length. On the length measurement, we are going to measure 2 inches above here. This 2 inches is constant while making shoes. So this 2 inches is constant. Followed by the muzzle or bicep line. The formula to get the bicep is bicep divided by 2 minus half. The bicep we are making use of is 16 inches. 16 divided by 2, that will give us 8 inches. Minus half, that will give us 7 and a half. So like this. Then we are going to square it across. If you have any question, make sure you ask me. I will be available to answer your question. After this, we are going to mark out our shoulder to sleeve, shoulder to elbow. The shoulder to elbow is 16 inches. Our shoulder to elbow is here. Shoulder to elbow, 16 inches. So let's observe our folding allowance of 2 inches here. So in order not to get you confused, these are folding allowance of 2 inches. We are almost done. So the next thing now, on this our line, this first line, let's label it line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4. So on this first line, you are going to come up on the muzzle line here by 1 inch. You come up by 1 inch, and also you are going to divide what we have here into 2. What you have from this 2 inches line and the muzzle line. Here we have 5.5 quarter. Here we have 5.5. 5.5 divided by 2, that will give us 2.5 quarter. 2.5 quarter. So I'm going to make it a dotted line as well. So that is it. On this dotted line, from the line 1, you are going to go in by 1.5, like this. So the next thing now, we are going to construct our curve. So the curve will come from here, meet here, come up here, come here, then here. So let's go. If you have your curve ruler, make sure you make use of them. So this way, then here to here to here, then you go up to this side. Moving on this line 4, you are going to go in by 2.5, then you come out by 2.5, so the total will be 5 inches this way. On the elbow line here, you are going to go in by 1/2 quarter, then come out here by 1/2 quarter, so the total will be 1 quarter. So you can see. So we are going to connect this together. I told you the thing is very simple. So this one also, then you go here, that's it. On this line 1, we are going to go in by 1/2 quarter, and you come here by 1/2 quarter. So if you are going to connect this to this place, let's do it. Then also you will come down and here, that's it. So almost done. For our button overlap here, so from here I'm going to mark 5 inches upward, and also here 5 inches upward. Then the width will be, let's divide it into 2. So let's make this the width. This 1/2 quarter, sorry, this 1.5. So we're going to take it down. Now here 1.5. So we're going to take it down this way, and we're going to connect it. Now here is the magic. Here is the magic. We are going to cut this and retrace this number 1 pattern. So let's label it. Here is our 1, here is the 2, and here is 3. 1, 2, 3. And we need 2 pieces for the shoe sleeve. So we are going to transfer this to this place. Pay keen attention please. So here now I'm going to try and come in by 1/2 inch. Then we are going to retrace to this place. Then we are going to trace it down. You can tape it down. So that's it. So this is it. The next thing we are going to do here as well, we are going to observe our 1/2 inch. So here and here, this is how we are going to cut it out. Also here, we are going to go in by 1/2, then connect up. Please, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video. If you have any question, please make sure you ask me and I will explain whatever your question is. And whatever you think about this query and whatever you think about this tutorial, please drop it for me in the comment section. I will be glad to have your comments. Here is it. Our sleeve is almost done. The last stage is we are going to come up here by 1/2 and we are going to come up here by 1/2. Then we are going to connect it here and also connect this one here. So I'm waiting for your question and I'm waiting for your comments. What do you think about this tutorial? Is it simple? So our sleeve is done. See you in our next tutorial. Thank you.